Hi there! Clean air is something we all deserve, and nothing beats Dyson when it comes to its air purifiers. Today we have one of the flagship machines from Dyson, the Purifier+cool Formaldehyde TP09. It captures dust, allergens, viruses and 99% of pollutants as small as 0.1 microns. It can also detect and destroy formaldehyde, which is a huge upgrade from its predecessors. Now for those who don't know what is formaldehyde, it's kind of a pungent odorless gas like we get from house paints, building material, smoking areas, household products and use of fuel burning appliances such as gas stoves. By the way, did you know this air purifier also doubles as a fan? A bladeless fan to be precise. Let's dive in deeper. Here is the box packaging. Inside we can see the air purifier with some paperwork and other contents. However, you don't need to be concerned about installation because Dyson customer service is excellent. If you require in-person assistance, they will even send a technician to your home to set it up. Inside these cardboard boxes are the filters, which I shall show you in just a second. So this is how the Dyson air purifier looks. The bottom part houses a motor which sucks in all the unfiltered air. Then there are these two filters. This one is the 360-degree HEPA H13 plus carbon filter that removes 99.95% of particles of dust, pollen, mold and even bacteria. And the second blue one is the catalytic filter that removes formaldehyde. Let's install them. Now this grill section can be opened from the side with the help of these slide buttons. There you go. Now we install the filters starting with the catalytic filter. Make sure it snaps and fixed in properly. The next is the HEPA carbon filter. Shut this side. Now move to the other. Same steps. Attach both the filters, the catalytic filter and the HEPA filter. Then you put the grill and there you go, you're done. Then on the top is this huge oval loop design. It has this nice glossy finish and looks like a decorative piece in your home. If you're wondering from where the air comes from, well, you see this gap here? This is from where the purified air is pushed out. If you look closely, the whole section oscillates to spread fresh clean air and breeze to your whole room. Thanks to the air multiplier technology, the device can spread air even further. Now since this doesn't have blades like a regular fan, it's also child safe. You don't have to worry about kids putting their fingers anywhere here. Then the color LCD display currently shows that it's running on auto. The graph is showing the AQI levels. If it's green, it means it's clean, breathable air. It also comes with a super compact remote and you might think it's easy to misplace considering it's so small, which is why Dyson has come up with a simple solution. It magnetically attaches on top of the loop, so you know where to find it. The golden finish matches perfectly with the base. It has a sturdy metallic build with the power button on the top left to turn on or off the purifier. Press the I button to get more info on the LED display, AQI levels, 24-hour AQI levels, PM 2.5 level, PM 10 level, HCHO which is formaldehyde, VOC levels, NO2 levels, the temperature, humidity, filter status, and the auto mode is self-explanatory. I suggest you stick to auto mode. It starts off more aggressively where the fan speed is more audible and then it slows down once the AQI levels are normal. It works just perfectly. The fan speed can also be adjusted from 1 to 10. Check it out. Then there is another diffused mode on this air purifier. What is that? Well, in winters, you want the clean air, but you don't want the air to be directed towards you. You press this button on the remote and the clean air is pushed from the side vents, which I think is a really smart idea. Then the oscillation button or rotate button, so you can control it directly from here. Also, I would like to mention that the oscillation motor is absolutely silent. So in case you plan to use this at night while you're asleep, you can go ahead, no problem. Now, coming to night mode. Now this is where you can set a timer. It dims the LED display and it also reduces the fan speed to almost silent. So you get sound sleep. Now just to check, we sprayed an insect repellent and instantly the display shows a rise in AQI along with the PM levels. The fan speed has also drastically increased. Surely you can hear the sound by now. But the best part is just in a couple of seconds, the AQI is back in green, which means you have fresh, clean, breathable air in your room. Those looking for more, you also have the Dyson Link app support, Now if you swipe down, you can see the AQI levels, the temperature, humidity, PM2 levels, PM10 levels, NO2 levels. Swipe up, you can see the temperature, you can see the humidity, VOC levels, and right here below you can actually switch it off. On auto mode, you can control the fan speed, oscillation. There's also a remote app where you can completely control it exactly like you can do it from the remote. Then if you go into the settings, your machine settings, you can see the serial number, you can change the temperature unit, you can come to the home zone, change Wi-Fi connection, you can see the life of your filters, you can buy it directly from here, notifications, software updates, you can delete the machine from the app, and the best part is you can even voice control using Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. It's a really nice, complete, easy to use app. Now overall it's been a very satisfying experience. It's one of the simplest piece of tech in my house, which is doing all the complex work of purifying my environment in the background. The HEPA carbon filters that come along should easily last you for an year if you're using this for about 6 to 7 hours every day. You can check the status in the app or as well as on the LED display. The Dyson Purifier Cool comes with 2-year warranty, so clearly you don't have to worry about after sales. Also worth mentioning, Dyson has one of the best customer service. Their explanations, their online demos, they make you feel like one of their most important customers, and that's very important. This Dyson Purifier Cool TP09 is priced at $59,900. But hang on, Amazon has a deal where you can get this for just $49,900. I think that's a stellar deal for this device. So if you're looking for the best without any compromises, this is the one to go for. I'll leave the links in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.